Underpinning injection spacing should be planned to deliver uniform support across the foundation without leaving unsupported gaps. For typical residential soil stabilization via injections, the thumb rule is to place injection points at 3 to 6 foot centers along load-bearing walls, adjusting spacing tighter in soft or layered soils and wider where competent strata is near the surface. Begin by mapping the foundation and marking points at consistent intervals, then confirm with borings or probe logs so you know where voids or soft zones exist. If you encounter highly variable soils, reduce spacing to ensure overlap of stabilized zones. Use a pressure and flow control strategy at each port so the resin or grout permeates and densifies the soil rather than creating isolated pockets. Start at lower pressure to find natural flow paths, then increase incrementally while monitoring uplift and lateral migration. Always sequence injections in runs rather than isolated single points to allow measured redistribution of loads, and pause to measure settlement after each run so you can adapt spacing or volume as needed. Choose materials with documented permeation and cure characteristics for the target soil type and temperature range, and record injected volume, pressure, and observed ground response for quality control. After completion, perform follow-up level surveys at intervals over weeks to months to confirm stability and detect any need for additional injections. Common mistakes include placing injections too far apart, which leaves unsupported spans and causes continued settlement. The fix is to tighten spacing to 3 foot centers in suspect areas and verify with in situ tests. Another frequent issue is overpressurizing, which forms isolated bulges or heaves rather than uniform densification. Avoid that by beginning at low pressures, observing grout take and surface response, and increasing pressure incrementally with careful records. Finally, not adjusting for changing soil conditions along the foundation leads to inconsistent results. Mitigate this by using initial borings, probe logs, and staged monitoring so you can vary spacing and material selection as conditions demand. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors who perform underpinning and injection stabilization and provides a place for contractors to find work and share project opportunities. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals exchange field tips, ask questions, and review real-world experiences related to spacing, materials, and monitoring.